afternoon. MCC. We go to Jido Kamal. Slowly kalihon kali kasi sa Yara kami. Okay. So now we go there. It's almost 5 o'clock na yata. We are busy. Really shout out to all of us. Ayan si Sisi. Nandoon si friend. Si friend nag-clean doon. Ayun. Ayun si friend doon. Cleaner. Ito na nga hon. Dali hon. Kasi water. Oh, yela, dali. Go inside. Aray ko. Thank you.